frosting glue.
Frosting glue. I can taste it.
I don't know. Can you? Is it edible?
Your finger.
I was waiting.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Mmm.
I didn't think this stuff was edible. I didn't think you could eat it.
You eat the whole
Eat the
thing.
gingerbread house.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't think you could.
You don't remember?
I've
making
never eaten a gingerbread house.
them? We've made them.
I remember making them, but I've never even eaten a piece of them. I know that.
It goes in the room.
Oh,
You gotta
this
put-
one.
Maybe it goes in the room.
Mmm, it tastes good.
Does it?
I can smell it.
She's such a weird kid.
There's a big one. I got that big one.
That is a big one.
Careful, eyes.
Hang on, hang on.
Let's set it on top of those.
Put it on top.
Yep, set it down right on top.
No, on top.
Flat on
Honey,
top.
Lay it
flat. Like this.
Oh, I can do
You
it.
see it? Okay. Yeah, there you go. Good job, Ice.
It's very steady.
It's very what?
Steadying.
Oh.
Hey, Uncle. Now I can have orange.
Oh, goodness
Now I can
gracious.
have orange now, Uncle. Now I can have orange now, Uncle.
This
Ice.
one's going back, huh?
Yep. Those
It's
are the best.
killing her.
I know it is too.
Whoops.
Oops.
I want orange.
That must be the Wabash Cannonball.
Hey,
Oh, the other one's falling too, Kev.
Don't shin. She died in.
No. Oh.
It's falling apart.
Oh, she's 50.
He might need super glue.
Instead of frosty,
Yeah, Gorilla Glue.
super glue.
It's all falling apart.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
This thing
no.
isn't even.
Eyes, okay.
it's not tight enough, is it?
Oh, wow, okay, yeah, I see. It is, it's really... Oh, eyes. That'll be a disaster.